Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to share a draft on TikTok. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your TikTok application and then try recording a new video. So just tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen and then tap on this um, red circle in order to record a video. So, for example, this one, I am recording my new laptop. Then, right after that, just tap on the check icon. Okay, so the first choice that you can do is to um, swipe down, okay, and then tap on the recorder button of your phone. Okay, so you can record this before even saving this or uploading this one, so you can send that to your friend without even posting it to your TikTok account. Okay, so the second option is to tap on the next icon, okay, and then tap on the privacy settings, okay, or the audience settings. So just tap on only you. Okay, and then you can also tap on the more option. So right after that, just post it, and when you go to your private content, you'll be able to see here your video. So you're the only one who could be able to see that. Now try going to your gallery, and here you could be able to see the video that you have posted on your TikTok privately. And then tap on the send icon, and from there you'll be able to send that video to your friend. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.